Hi, dear. Welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Over the years, I've picked up a few valuable lessons about the art of keeping a home not only clean, but also inviting and calming. As we grow older, maintaining a space that's tidy, peaceful, and ready for visitors becomes even more important. It's not just about scrubbing floors or wiping down counters. It's about creating an environment that reflects comfort, warmth, and care. It's about making your home a place where you feel at ease, and others feel welcome as well. In this post, I'm excited to share with you 12 simple daily habits that I've adopted to keep my home organized, stress-free, and always ready for any guests who might drop by. These habits aren't complicated or time-consuming, but they've made all the difference in how I experience my home every day. Whether you're a senior looking for ways to make life a little easier or someone who simply wants to keep their home in great shape, I'm confident you'll find a tip or two that could transform the way you manage your space. These small changes might even enhance the quality of your day-to-day life, helping you feel more relaxed and in control of your surroundings. So stick with me till the end. These simple but effective habits can have a lasting impact on how you feel about your living space. You might even find that these changes will make your home more than just a place to live. It will become a sanctuary where you can truly unwind and enjoy life to its fullest. Let's dive into these daily habits that can help you maintain a tidy, welcoming home. The first thing I do every morning is make my bed. And it's amazing how such a small task makes a big difference for me. Making the bed isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a sense of order. When the bed is made, the entire bedroom looks and feels calmer. Plus, it helps set my mind for the day ahead. I'm not a morning person, but those few minutes folding back the blankets and fluffing the pillows, that's my first accomplishment of the day. It's like saying to myself, today is starting off on the right note. And let's be honest, doesn't it feel so much better to climb into a neat bed at night than one that's messy? It's worth a small effort every single time. One of the best habits I've developed over the years is handling clutter before it even becomes clutter. The idea is simple. As soon as I'm done using something, I put it back where it belongs. Whether it's folding a throw blanket, placing my glasses in their case, or returning the remote control to the side table, small, consistent actions prevent mess from building up. Think of your home as a living space, not a storage space. A tidy home gives you clarity, while clutter creates stress. Plus, I've noticed that it's much easier to keep a house clean when everything has a designated spot. The more you embrace the declutter as you go mindset, the less overwhelmed you'll feel. You might even find that cleaning becomes enjoyable. Counters, tables, and sinks. These are the workhorses of our homes. They see spills, crumbs, fingerprints, and who knows what else. That's why I've made it a habit to wipe them down every day. You don't need fancy cleaning sprays. A damp cloth with a drop of dish soap works wonders. What I love about this habit is how quick it is. It only takes a few minutes, but the effect is dramatic. When my counters are clean, my kitchen feels like it's sparkling. When the bathroom sink is spotless, the entire space feels refreshed. And don't underestimate the joy of walking into a clean living room with a polished coffee table. Little habits like this can transform your space more than you'd think. Laundry used to overwhelm me. Piles would build up, and I'd procrastinate until the task felt insurmountable. But here's the trick. Instead of waiting for laundry day, I turned it into a daily habit by doing one small load every day. I keep the laundry room under control. It's less time-consuming and less physically demanding. This way, I'll throw in my towels or a few shirts in the morning, let the machine work while I go about my day, and then fold them before the evening. Breaking it into bite-sized tasks has made such a difference. My advice, don't let laundry grow into a mountain. Tackle it one pebble at a time. You don't realize how much dirt and debris collects on floors until you start sweeping regularly. The kitchen, hallway, and living room are the usual culprits in my house. Every day, I take 5 or 10 minutes to go over these areas with a broom or my lightweight vacuum. It's like giving my floors a quick reset. It's also a great way to stay ahead of dust, especially if you've got pets or people coming and going all day. My grandchildren sometimes spill crumbs when they visit, and I used to stress about it. Now I've accepted that life can be messy. A quick sweep keeps everything manageable and stress-free. To me, there's nothing worse than waking up to a sink full of dirty dishes. It makes the entire kitchen feel messy. That's why I've made it a rule. No dirty dishes overnight. After dinner, I wash everything or load the dishwasher. I even make sure to wipe out the sink itself so it looks nice and shiny. An empty, clean sink gives me such peace of mind. When morning rolls around, I can start my day without facing yesterday's mess. If there's one habit to adopt for a cleaner kitchen, it's this one. Mail can sneak up on you if you're not careful. All those envelopes, flyers, and catalogs have a way of piling up fast. My rule is to handle the mail as soon as I bring it in. I sort it right there by the door. Bills go into my organizer, junk mail goes straight into the recycling, and personal letters or invitations are placed on my desk. By dealing with it daily, I never end up with unsightly piles of paper. It's such a simple habit, but it's one that keeps my house looking orderly and my life feeling more organized. Let's be honest, nobody has time to dust every inch of their house every day. But here's what I do. I focus on the areas that matter most. For me, that means dusting surfaces that are highly visible, like the coffee table, the bookshelf in the living room, or the top of the TV stand. Once or twice a week, I might tackle trickier spots like ceiling fans or blinds. Daily dusting takes just a few minutes and keeps my home looking polished. Plus, regular dusting helps with allergies and keeps everything feeling fresh. My nighttime routine always includes a quick tidy up before I go to bed. I spend about 10 minutes walking through the house to put things back in their place. I might fold the blanket on the couch, stack a few magazines, or straighten the cushions. It doesn't sound like much, but those small acts make a big difference. Waking up to a tidy home sets the tone for a good day, while waking up to chaos can feel defeating. This habit isn't about being perfect. It's about creating a peaceful environment where I can truly relax. One of the easiest ways to refresh a home is to simply open the windows. Every morning, I crack them open for about 10 minutes. Even if it's just a little, it lets out any stale air and brings in that lovely clean breeze. There's something about fresh air that makes a space feel cleaner, even if nothing else has changed. It's especially nice after cooking or during the cooler months when the house feels closed up. Trust me, this simple habit works wonders for your mood and your home. Having to hunt for cleaning supplies wastes time and makes cleaning a chore. That's why I keep a little cleaning caddy in a central spot in the house. It's stocked with all my essentials: a multi-purpose cleaner, microfiber cloths, a small duster, and a spray bottle of water and vinegar. This way, if I notice a spill or a smudge, I can handle it right away. When supplies are easy to grab, cleaning feels less like a task and more like a natural part of your routine. It's all about making life simpler. Conclusion. After a day of small but meaningful efforts to maintain a clean and welcoming home, I always make it a point to take a moment and truly enjoy the space I've created. Whether that means curling up in my favorite chair with a good book or inviting a friend over for a relaxing cup of tea, I make sure to appreciate the comfort of my surroundings. A clean home isn't just about the way it looks, it's about creating an environment where you can feel at peace, truly comfortable, and at ease. Taking the time to reflect on your efforts helps reinforce the idea that it's all worth it. So, light a candle, put your feet up, and savor the satisfaction of a job well done. These 12 simple habits are the foundation of the way I keep my home tidy and inviting every day. It may seem like a lot, but trust me, once you get into the rhythm, these actions will blend seamlessly into your daily routine. Over time, they help shape a space that you can be proud of and, most importantly, love. I'd love to hear about your own cleaning habits, and tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and want more tips like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Timeless Wisdom, and I'll see you in the next video.